Welcome. In front of me is CHUWI GemiBook X Pro, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this laptop work faster. So the easiest way to make your laptop more productive is by changing the power settings. To do that, right click the power and the battery icon in the bottom right corner of the screen, select power and sleep settings, then go to power mode, and then next to the plugged in option, change the balanced option to best performance. You can also set the same setting for your on battery option, but this way your laptop will discharge very fast, and I'm not sure if you want this to happen. Now the next thing is removing the background apps, and the easiest way to do that is by right-clicking your taskbar, selecting Task Manager, and in the Task Manager you'll find Startup Apps section. Open it, and here you'll find some applications which start up during your PC boot up, and to see which ones start up with your laptop, sort the table by the status bar, by the status column, and see which applications have enabled status. These applications start up along with your PC. As you can see, for me these are the system applications, so I don't really want to disable them, but if you have some game launchers, maybe messengers right here, which you don't necessarily need to start up when your PC boots up, you can right click one of them and select disable. Now, to keep your device productive, you can keep track of the open tabs in your browser. Now the browser itself consumes some power resource of your application, of your tablet. Let's open the Task Manager once again and go into the Processes section. Now let's check the memory column. Okay, now let's open the web browser. Okay, and in the Task Manager, let's check the resource usage. In our case, memory. As you can see, browser itself consumes 400 megabytes of memory. And now let's open a bunch of tabs, empty tabs in the browser, and you can see how drastically the memory usage goes up. And these are all the empty tabs, and they haven't loaded yet. So as you can see, the browser right now is using almost 2 gigabytes of memory, and all you have to do to decrease this memory usage is to close the tabs that you don't use. So make sure that you always do that, because it drastically increases your device's productivity. And basically that's the last advice I had to share with you. So thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.